Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am going to clean out my pantry and give it a little refresh, so stay tuned. As I clean out my pantry today, I am going to put some quotes up while I play some music, and the quotes are going to be about comparing ourselves to others. I've really fallen into this trap lately, and I was thinking about it with my pantry because when we first moved into this house, I was so excited to have a pantry. I've never been crazy about the wire shelves, but I was just excited to have a pantry. Then along came Pinterest and social media, and I began seeing these beautiful, gorgeous pantries, and all of a sudden I was not so in love with my pantry anymore. And I fell into the trap of comparing my pantry to these other gorgeous pantries. Hopefully one day I will get rid of the wire shelves and get some regular shelves, but right now I just have the wire shelves. And I just think that it's important not to compare ourselves or to compare things to the things that other people have, or compare how we look to the way that other people look, because it can become a very unhealthy habit. And social media really, I think, has influenced a lot of us to go down the comparison hole, because we see a small portion of what people are putting out for us to see. We're not seeing the whole picture, and so it's really easy to look and say, oh, I wish I had that. I wish I was like that. I wish I looked like that. And it's really easy to lose some of your self-esteem, or just to even like things like your pantry, when you're just happy to have a pantry. Because our last home, we just had cabinets to store our food in, and I was so excited to have a pantry. So we can even let things like a pantry turn into something that we compare. So we just need to remember that life is not about comparing our journey to someone else's. We're all on different journeys, and we all bloom beautifully where we're planted. So before I start cleaning out my pantry, I am going to tell you 3 ways that you can do it. The first way is the way I'm doing it today, which I'm just going to completely remove everything from my pantry. I'm going to throw out anything that is expired or out of date. I'm going to clean the shelves. I'm going to put everything back in, and that's how I'm doing it today. Another way that you could do it is, if you have shelves, you could take one shelf at a time. So like one day you could do one shelf, the next day you could do another shelf. If it seems completely overwhelming, you could even go by category. So maybe one day you could go through your canned goods. Another day you could go through paper products. Or if you're like me and you have baskets in your pantry, you could do one basket one day, another basket another day. Does not matter how you do it, just as long as you get it done. So I hope this brings you some motivation, and let's get started with the pantry.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. The one who saves me. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am getting so close to 1,000 subscribers, so I would love for you guys to help me get there. I'm going to do a big giveaway when I get there, so please like and comment on this video and share away. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.